Hi subscribers, hi viewers. I know it's been a while on videos about Paxful, but I had one particular subscriber that asked me to throw in a video about Paxful. Well, it's very good news because I've got some new stuff that you can work with. Let's start with my trade history here. This is my trade history. Like you can tell, my last few trades I've been trading with the same people. This is all selling. Remember, I'd stopped selling and now I'm no longer buying. I was doing something else. All my Bitcoins right now are in my cold wallet. And I'm really busy with work and everything. So this, I want to explain why I have got these two traders, right? This is for your own safety, and this is for everybody's safety. If you're a trader, a new trader, upcoming trader on Paxful, or just an old school trader, and nobody's safe on Paxful. Anybody can be a victim, in particular to these Nigerian scammers, Cameroonian scammers. Those are the most dangerous people that you can get scammed by. And I do check out a few things, and I'm very able to be very cautious. Now I just launched up to say I want to buy some Bitcoins. The first thing you have to look for, these are the new things, these are the new people. I want to show this individual, A. La Cruz. A. La Cruz, I've been trading with this individual, and this person is one of the most reliable traders that I've traded with on Paxful. Check all his trades, he have been successful. He's got no cancel trade. He's got no issues, and he always responds. These are the people who are called like heavy loaders on Paxful. Their wallets are big, and they'll always be selling. They make sure that they respond. If you see he's online, you trade with them. I've got Falcon Eye. Falcon Eye. Ella Cruz is from South America, right? And I'm sure this one is from the Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or so. That's Falcon Eye. But Ella Cruz is from South America. I've traded with this individual. I can vouch for this individual. He's the best trader by far that I've done business with. So now let's just take a look at it. If I have to sell my Bitcoins today, who will I go for? If I have to buy some Bitcoins today, I've got a few individuals here. You see now? You see now? Let's take a look at these people. I want to show you this. I want you to see how many trades these people have or positive feedback these people have. And the other thing with trades and positive feedback is the more people they've got, the longer they've been trading on the platform. You don't want to take a risk. Okay, we're going to start from the bottom, right? This person, because these are the first few people that they were 195, and you're going down to 149, then you're going up to 811. This current individual, Falcon I, have done business with a few trades with him or her, and he's assured me something else which I'm really skeptical about future doing business. Is not somebody who I can wait for to do business with, because I'm still skeptical about a few things, right? He's got 2,908 positive feedback. Let's talk to Hassan. Hassan 341 and everything, 262. Then we're going down to Ayla Cruz. This is 3,149. One of that is my positive feedback. I'm sure of that because I've done business with this individual. Then you got Professor 100. Be very cautious with these people. And P Matrix. Be very cautious with that, with those kind of people. Now I want to explain why you would choose someone A La Cruz. This individual is trusted. One, right? Let's try to open something their profile and see here. I will explain a few things. One is a trusted trader. You will see he's been on the platform for a few years, and look at the rates. The rates are not that high. Is the second best rate offer. You understand? You get 94 cents for your dollar, right? If you really like, you use your thing, this platform to sell your cryptocurrencies, not to make money, just to sell for your savings, for your daily basis. I will trade with this individual because 94, when I make it really if I give him $100 and he gives me $94. So I just gave him $6 for him, the money that I could have done it some, I could have used somewhere. And I'm not selling my Bitcoins right now because the currency, the thing is very low. I've got Ethereum and Bitcoins. My balance right now is 158, but I've got a cold wallet, which is quite heavy at the moment. Okay, now let's look at this. The other person I can try here is when I'm buying is chicks. But look at their trading volumes. Look at their trading volumes. Look at this individual's trading volume. Now I want to show you something, right? L Lacrosse. He offers you a cent less than chicks, right? Okay, this is something else I want you to be really okay. Let's look at the trading histories here first. I want to show you something to be very cautious of. And Professor 100, I'm very skeptical about this individual. So we're gonna go to Ella Cruz profile. Falcon I have done in business with them. And if I have to choose, let's go down. You see chicks. And if I have to choose between chicks and Falcon Eye and La Cruz. La Cruz will come first, and Falcon Eye will come second. I will explain why. I will explain why. And Chicks will come third. Now, here's why I have to explain this, right? And take a look at La Cruz. La Cruz, you can buy as little as $100. You can sell as $100. So let's say La Cruz is a scammer. He will scam you only $100. Now let's go to, you see, these are big, these are traders with a lot of feedbacks. Falcon Eye, he offers as well $100, but he offers less money than what? Than than La Cruz, right? But now let's take a look at this. These are the tempting ones. You get more money for your money, right? But they are buyers. You can get scammed. You will be surprised why and how $10 can get your account blocked, because I've had my issues with my bank for as little as £15, £10, £30. So that's little money that your bank will harass you because there's been a fraud from another person. Some people, they chase through this money because they did not expect the other person to scam them. They think it's you scamming them directly. Now, why I'll avoid checks when selling my Bitcoins? That's $2,000. You understand? That's $2,000. That's a lot of money to $37,000. I'll rather do multiple trades. I'll rather do multiple trades with someone like L La Cruz, although this is 3,000 trades, right? But I'll rather reduce my risk and do small trades. You understand? You don't have to be greedy in this. Cryptocurrencies and crypto trading is a man's paradise for scammers because they know greedy people will do anything, or unaware people, unconscious people. Like when you're coming into this, you think, oh, it's easy money. I can make money so fast. Like if you're looking at someone like this, they offer you money, 2 cents for every dollar that you're making. And you're thinking, okay, I can do this. First, make sure that that person is a trusted user. I'm not a trusted user. I'm not really doing this for commercial purposes. I've got my job that I'm doing with. I'm fully satisfied. I can earn money every month and buy enough Bitcoins to keep for the future. That's what I'm doing. So now let's go down to Ethereum. You'll see now, like these traders as well. You see, if I had to do somebody, you see, someone like this, they don't want someone, they need to know where you're trading from. But their money is very slow. Their money is very slow. Sometimes, if you fail on things, just trade your money to Ethereum or to Tether, then you buy from there or you sell from there. You understand what I'm talking about? So now let's go back to selling on thing on selling Ethereum. Okay, you want to sell Ethereum. These are the best currencies that you're doing at the moment. So with this, surprise, surprise, you get like more people. I've never done business with this individual. I would love to check their profile, their profile thing. So I'm just gonna wrap this up and explain a few things. It's still not loading Ella Cruz profile, of which it's going to be a video for the future. So A lot of people are online at the moment, and I'm going to be doing a live trade. I'm going to be doing a live trade where you see how I pick and how I choose. And I'm going to do a scam betting where I'm going to where I'm going to bait some scammers. I know if I put my advert there, then you get scammers coming over, especially if I say a bank trade. So I'm going to do a live trade that you are going to see how to avoid these scammers. And we're going to call it the scam betting, Paxful scam betting live trades. So so it's not coming up. The internet in China is quite slow at the moment. It's the Spring Festival and we've got COVID. No one is working. Everybody's all home. So don't expect the internet to do us any favors at all. So we just came back, like I'm just explaining this. Make sure that the person that you're dealing with, one, is a trusted user, right? A trusted trader. Make sure that the individual is a trusted trader. Two, their trade volumes, their positive feedbacks is over 2,500 or 2,000 plus. If it's 3,000 something, go for the highest and make sure that the individual is a trusted, right? And make sure that the person. I want to show you why I trade. Why I trade. I want to explain why I trade with Ella Cruz more than I trade with let me explain this. Let me come to this page. Let me come to this page, then you check it out. The reason why I trade with L La Cruz more than with Falcon Eye is Falcon Eye has got a few, about 37 negative feedbacks. Now, if you go to El La Cruz, I'm sure it was 1 or 0. And that one was, yeah, it was one, which was really like not a negative feedback. Someone was complaining, like, it took too long. But I've never done this, a trade with El La Cruz, which took more than 5 minutes. 5, 10 minutes, yes, but 5 minutes is average for him. You understand? You have to understand these people, they're in different countries and the different time zones. So sometimes they're not responding because someone cannot spend 48 hours just waiting for your simple trade. They do of a lot of volume trades. So when you come into Falcon Eye, he's got a lot of negative feedback, and I tried him just to see what he was all about. But Ella Cruz, this is individual I'm vouching for. And if there's people that Paxful has to take note of, these are the people they should offer their full support in. And I'll be showing you how to win some disputes as well. I've got enough disputes. I've been scammed enough, and I've had like 3 accounts closed. I'll explain this in my future videos. Please subscribe to the channel, and let's keep on trading, people. Let's make sure that the scammers don't deter us, and be very cautious when you're trading in this platform. You don't want to get your bank account closed, and you don't want to lose your money, and you don't want to lose your cryptocurrencies. So let's expose the scammers. If someone scams you, just make sure that you put the link at the bottom, or you in the description. Sorry, you just put a description, the person's name on the comments below. Then I'll come back and do a full review of that trader, and I'll do some research to make sure that are they a scammer or not, or what's the issue that transpired. You understand? So anyway, have a good day. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to future videos, and I'm hoping to keep you safe on this platform, and I hope that everyone is making enough money and everybody's trading safely. Have a good day.